Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then at the bottom right corner click on your profile image button. Here it is. After that, you need to make sure you're logged into your account. You want to connect with your Facebook, and then in this interface at the top right corner click on the three lines button. Then you will see this list of options and you need to click on the first one option, account center, right up here. Then click on the first one option, so with your profile photo, here it is. Then you will see this interface. You need to click on the blue button, add accounts, and then the first option, add Facebook account. Then you will see your all Facebook accounts. You need to choose your relevant Facebook account you want to connect to your Instagram account. And then click on the continue button at the bottom of your screen. After that, you can read this message, and then you need to click on the blue button, allow, and finish adding. So after a few seconds, as you can see, your Facebook account will be connected to your Instagram, and if you want, you can go back to this page, and if you want to disconnect your Facebook account, you need to scroll down, click on the accounts option at the bottom of your screen, and then you need to click on the remove button next to your Facebook account to disconnect your account. And that's all, and that's how to connect Instagram to Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.